Hello everyone, welcome back. This is video number 2. Video number 2 will be a very short video because in this video, sir going to introduce to you what is DALL-E Image Generator, how you can open DALL-E Image Generator in your Google browser. Alright, so this is very important. Listen carefully because today's lesson is all about how you're going to utilize DALL-E Image Generator in order you to write the 3 sentences, the 3 paragraph, and a short story in 3 paragraph. Okay, so you are going to focus and listen to the instruction carefully. So video number 2, you're going to know about what is DALL-E. So going to introduce how to open and how the interface of the DALL-E Image Generator looks like. Alright, so let's focus and stay with sir. Now, this is how a DALL-E image generator looks like. The interface looks like this, right? So where you are going to prompt, okay, here. You're going to put your cursor here. Can you see here? Ask anything. You put your cursor here and then you are going to prompt. You're going to type what image you want. You can type what image exactly you want. All right, so going to teach you how to prompt, the technique of prompting in video number 3. But in video number 2, in this video, sir going to teach you how the DALL-E image generator looks like. Sir going to introduce to you, right? This is how the DALL-E image generator looks like. All right, now this is very important. As sir mentioned just now, so going to teach you step by step on how to open DALL-E Image Generator. Step number 1, you are going to open Google browser. Don't worry, my kids. Don't worry, students. So going to teach you the tutorial. So going to give you the tutorial step by step in a while. You can rewatch the video in order to complete this task. Alright. So step number 1, you need to open your Google browser. Once you open the Google browser, you have to type in the Google browser ChatGPT. Once you already chat, step number 3, you're going to click on the chatgpt.com in the search. And then once you already enter into the ChatGPT, on the left sidebar of the ChatGPT's interface, you have to click on GPTs. Okay, GPTs, and then after you already click, you will see a search column will be appear. In the search column, you have to type DALL-E Image Generator. Once it already appeared, you click enter and you click the icon, and then you are ready to do the task. Very simple, as easy as ABC. Okay, now let's watch the tutorial together with me. Are you okay? Are you with me? Very good. Okay, watch carefully and listen carefully. Now, you have to open your Google browser, as I mentioned, step number 1. And then you have to type ChatGPT. You can see here ChatGPT. Step number 2. Step number 3, as I mentioned just now, so say open at the chatgpt.com. Then you'll be in the ChatGPT. Alright. So once you're already in ChatGPT, can you see on the left sidebar here, as sir mentioned, what you have to click? You have to click on GPTs. Once you already click there, as I say just now, you have to go and search. Put here and then you search DALL-E, then you click enter. Then can you see over here? This is what sir want you to click on. DALL-E Editor Image Generator. Alright, not this, right? This one, huh? So then you click enter. Once you already click enter, you click start chat. And there you are. You are already here in DALL-E Editor Image Generator. Clear? You open browser, type ChatGPT, go into the ChatGPT, go to GPT, you search column for DALL-E. Make sure you go for DALL-E Editor Image Generator. All right. Now we are going for video number 3. But before Sir end this video, Sir want to introduce a very, very important aspect to you. All right. Although you are in year 2, you are 8 years old, Sir want to tell you something before Sir end this video, which is the ethical. What is ethical? A set of rule, the things that you can do and you can't do, which is do's and the don'ts, which you can do, which you can't do. A green light and a red light. So this is very important. Ethical, a set of rule. First, you have to be kind with your ideas. I know you have a lot of ideas and you want to type in the prompting in ChatGPT or in a DALL-E, but be kind with your ideas. It means don't create anything scary. Don't create something is hurtful. Don't make jokes from the pictures. You can, because whatever you type in ChatGPT, it will give you. It will going to generate for you. But as a ethical, as a responsible student, I know the student here is very good. So be kind with your ideas. Do not do anything, make jokes, or don't make anything scary or hurtful. And number 2, if you have something that you are not sure, all right, when you feel you don't know what's okay, please ask for help from the teacher, right? Raise your hand, ask if you feel you don't know what's okay. And finally, do not copy real people. What does that mean? Do not prompt in the DALL-E to make pictures of your friend or anything from a famous people. For example, Cristiano Ronaldo or someone famous. Because you know why you cannot do? Because you don't have their permission. If you don't have their permission, you cannot use their picture. Remember that, my dear student. So this is ethical part. So I'm sure you're very clear about this. All right. Be kind with your ideas. If you're not sure, raise your hand, ask your teacher, and finally, don't copy real people. All right. Thank you, everyone. Hope you understand on how to open DALL-E and how to access it. Alright, see you in video number 3 on how to prompt. Thank you.